when he was going to come off, I mean, most of the players are going off to celebrate with Harry for the second goal, and then you've got Jude, who's on his own, kind of flinging his arms.
Say again.
Most of your players are going off to the corner to celebrate with Harry.
It was 2-0, no?
Yeah. And then you've got one player who's kind of not...
He didn't celebrate?
Well, he's flinging his arms in the air and clearly not happy about coming off.
Did he see already that he needs to go out?
It looked like it, yeah. It doesn't seem like it's someone who's embracing the collective from afar.
But it's a bad impression. First of all, it's your impression, and then this is bad because it should be about the collective. And I think what we did in camp is all about the collective. I have to then review it because I think when the goal, I was very happy about the goal. I had a quick talk with Morgan Rogers, and I was sure that everyone will celebrate together. I will have a look at it. But yeah, that's not the image that we want to transport, because we feel that everyone is committed and everyone accepts also a tough decision, be it before the match or in the match, and excludes no one.